The Porsche 911 ST is a limited edition model that epitomizes the brand's commitment to performance, lightweight construction, and bespoke craftsmanship. This exclusive variant is powered by a 4.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, delivering 518 horsepower paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging driving experience. Weighing in at just 3,042 pounds, the ST achieves this through the extensive use of carbon fiber components, including the doors, bonnet, and wings, all meticulously assembled in Porsche's carbon fiber manufacture at the Zuffenhausen plant. Each component is manually adjusted to ensure precise fits and clearances, contributing to the vehicle's exceptional agility and performance. Inside, the ST showcases Porsche's dedication to luxury and personalization. The in-house saddlery crafts the interior with high-quality materials such as leather, Race-Tex, and bespoke fabrics. Every element is hand-cut, sewn, and applied by skilled artisans, ensuring a unique and refined cabin environment. The production process begins in a highly automated body shop, followed by the assembly of drive and chassis components on the standard production line. After the integration of the powertrain and body, the ST receives its finishing touches in Porsche's exclusive Manufaktur, where customers can choose from a wide array of personalization options, including heritage-inspired trims and exclusive color schemes. For those seeking unparalleled individuality, Porsche offers the Sonderwunsch program, allowing the transformation of the ST into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, provided all customizations meet the brand's stringent quality and regulatory standards. The Porsche 911 ST stands as a testament to the brand's engineering excellence and unwavering commitment to fulfilling the aspirations of its discerning clientele.